liquid volumes, right? Our water bottles, our pop bottles, they're all measured in liquids. Water is liquid. So we've got a couple basic things. Now the first one I want to point out here is that 1 cubic centimeter is the same as 1 milliliter. So a cubic centimeter is solid, right? So think of like a sugar cube is like a cubic centimeter, and that's equal to like 1 milliliter of liquid. A cubic foot, think about like it's a bigger square. It holds about 7.4805 gallons of liquid. So if you think about maybe like a little footstool type of a thing, that's what that is. So we're going to use these three moving forward in the next couple of problems. So keep those in mind. A rectangular aquarium measures 30 by 45 by 60. Find the volume in liters. Okay, well they give those all in centimeters. So first things first, if I want to find the volume, I multiply all three together. If I multiply those three together, I get 81,000 cubic centimeters. And remember, from the first page, we know that 1 cubic centimeter is 1 milliliter. So this is a 1-to-1 ratio, and therefore this is equal to 81,000 milliliters, right? Because I just used a 1-to-1 ratio. Well, to go from milliliters to liters, I move left 3. 1, 2, 3, 81 liters. Jane arrives home to find that her 40-foot by 32-foot basement has 18 inches of water in it. How many gallons of water will she have to pump out of her basement? Well, right now we are in feet, inches. So first things first, I need to take those 18 inches and change them to feet. So I get 18 divided by 12, which is 1.5. So I have a 40 by 32 by 1.5 foot water problem. So she's got 1,920 cubic feet of water. And I know it's cubed because 1, 2, I have 3 units. So if you look at that first page, we knew that 1 cubic foot is equal to 7.4805 gallons of liquid. So that makes my cubic feet go away. Since both of these are in the numerator, I multiply. And Jane's going to have to pump 14,362.56 gallons out of her basement. That is a lot of water. Similar problem, a rectangular bathtub is 2 by 2 by 6, all feet. So 2 by 6 by 2 is 24 cubic feet. How many gallons will this hold? Well, if I take my 24 cubic feet, I know that 1 cubic foot is equal to 7.4805 gallons. Makes my feet go away. I multiply straight across. It'll hold 179.532 gallons of water. Maybe you should just go bathe in Jane's basement. She's got more gallons of water than that. And the last one, how much does the water weigh in a round pool that is a 6-foot radius and is filled to a depth of 5 feet? Round to the nearest whole pound. Okay, so here's my pool. It's got a 6-foot radius and it's 5 feet deep. So I know that the volume is pi times the radius squared times the height. Everything's in feet, so we're okay here. I'm going to use the pi button. My radius is 6. I got to square that times 5. So I have approximately, my volume is approximately 565.4866776 cubic feet. Now, I don't like to round to the very end. So I used the pi button. I left this all in my calculator. And I want to know how much the water weighs. Well, I can only go from weight if I know how many gallons there are. So I first need to go cubic feet is 7.4805 gallons. So that tells me how many gallons I have. Then I can say, okay, I know that 8.33 pounds for every 1 gallon of water, which makes sense. Water's heavy. Right? Everything's in the numerator. I multiply straight across. And to the nearest pound is 35,237 pounds of water. That'll crush a squirrel if you lay it on a squirrel. Right? So that is a little bit of liquid measurements.